Hi guys, this evening I'm going to do a cover song, Run to You by Miss Whitney Houston, okay? And I would love to shout out my latest super trapper mountain farmer home in America, okay? So, ayun guys. Ayun, i-flex ko lamang ang aking hikaw guys. This is a 13-year-old earring, silver earrings with pearl, ayan. And from tatay, and from sis Annie, and from tatay, okay? So, bihira ako guys mag-accessories pag naisipan lang, okay? Nandyan lang sila. Minsan nakakalkal ni Shasha kaya naaalala ko. So, eto kasi guys, nagkalkal si Shasha. Pinagtatanggal ko na yung mga kalat doon. Ayan, naipon ko na. Kaya nakita ko to, tsaka to. Kanta na tayo guys.
I know that when you look at me, there's so much that you just don't see. But it only takes two. I know in my heart you'd find. Oh, girl, it's scared sometimes. Wasn't always strong. Can't you see the hurt in me? I feel it so all alone. I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. Would you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, tell me, will you stay or will you run away? Each day I played a role of someone always in control. But I come home and turn to there's nobody there, no one cares for me. What's the sense of trying out to find your dreams? Got someone to share with. Tell me what does it mean? I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. Would you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, tell me, will you stay or will you run away? Yeah, run away. What did you hear? What did you hear? Wipe away my tears, kiss a woman, please. Now, if you only knew how much I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. Would you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? But if I come to you, tell me, will you stay or will you run away? Run away. Thank Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button. Okay, thank you so much. And hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified whenever I post a new cover song. Bye, and thanks for watching. Love you all guys. Mwah.